Principle 18 is to really obtain financial success. Focus on these three things. Truly excel in your current job and projects. Simultaneously start a business. Number 2, put in the 10,000 hours that's needed to master your business. Now, if you're picking up dog poop for your business, probably not going to take you 10,000 hours to master that. But this woman has got 18 cars, SUVs, so she's probably got 30 people working for her. That's quite a bit. So she's got to get better at being a leader. And that's where she's spending her time now. Make a plan to become financially free by reaching a point where passive income from your business more than covers your family needs. So sit down and figure out what is it that you need in order for you to sustain how much passive income. There's a great game that my kids grew up playing, which is Cash Flow by Robert Kiyosaki. And there's two versions. There's the easy version and then the second part. It's an amazing game. It's a lot of fun. It's called Cash Flow by Robert Kiyosaki. Buy that board game. It's a lot of fun. You'll learn a lot about finances. And then that will help you understand you don't need a lot of money to financially retire. You'll find that you're better off as a janitor than as a doctor, because doctors have lots of student loans, lots of other debt, whereas a janitor in the game has a little bit of debt. So you can get out of the rat race and your passive income doesn't have to be as much as it does if you're a doctor. And then once you're financially free, put your full-time focus on building your business to a point that it funds your life purpose. Each of these require deep focus one at a time. Once you've accomplished one of them, go to the next one, same level of focus. Okay.